Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I am going to be doing some trout fishing. I know I haven't done that in quite some time on the channel, so I decided it would be fun to get my line in the water and see if we could catch any trout. As far as I am aware, the creek that I am fishing in is not stocked, so all of the fish I catch, if I catch any, will be native fish. I don't really know what type of trout species are in here. I'm assuming maybe brown trout, brook trout, you know, the basics, maybe rainbow trout. I don't know, we'll see. First spot of the day, we have some rapids way up there. Gonna try casting along this bank.
No way. No way. Oh my god. I'm fish. I'm fish. Oh. No.
I had a fish on, it was in the net, but it was too small and it came off the hook and it went right through the net. It did not look like a trout though. It looked like either a shad or a creek chub. I couldn't tell, but definitely not a trout. What I'm going to do is just continue up the creek. Thought I had a bite, but I think it was just a snag. One more. Is that a fish? Oh my god, I think it's a... Holy! No way! No way! No way! Oh my god! What the heck is that? What is that? Come here. Get in the net. What the heck? Alright, let me get it out of the net. Oh my gosh. Look at this bass, dude. From a tiny stream. Who would have thought? Wow. Here's a close up. It's a decently sized bass too. But we're gonna let this guy go. Honestly, I'm not sure if that's a largemouth or a smallmouth. I think it's a smallmouth. He's gone. Just goes to show you never know what you're gonna catch out of these tiny creeks. Dude, do I have a fish? Oh my god, I have a fish. What is this? It's fighting good. Oh my god, what the heck? Looks like another little bass. Yeah, it's another smallmouth. Man, I would have never thought I'd be catching bass in here. There you go. Alright, bye-bye. Now, typically I wouldn't fish this really slow-moving water, but since there's bass in here, you might as well fish it. Water is very still here. Nope, I got one. Oh my gosh, I got one. What is that? Small, it's tiny. Oh, this looks like a fall fish or a creek chub. Oh my gosh, yeah, they usually make that weird sound. Ugh. Dang, I do not like that sound they make. Alright, I think this is technically fish number 4. Small creek chub. Alright, he's going back in. I don't like holding him. There you go. Bye, fish. You can see just how slowly the water is moving here. so the chances of catching a fish in this area is not very high. Which unfortunately means I'm gonna have to do quite a bit of walking upstream. So I'll do that now.